We're doing a wrap-up video for the Angel Mounds that we went to go visit. We're going to be going around the group here. Cullen, what was your favorite part of that?
My favorite part was talking to the nice lady at the part before the gift shop. Like you walk in, you see the desk with the ladies, and then there's two doors behind her on this side. She's right in the middle, and the gift shop is behind her.
Okay, so you got to speak with the lady that worked there. Sarah, what was your favorite part?
I liked that there was kind of like life-size dioramas, I guess you would say. So the kids could actually see what the people would have been dressed like and what their living accommodations would have looked like in like life-size.
Okay. And Hadassah, what was your favorite part? What did you like the best?
Walking on the bridge.
Walking on the bridge. Yeah, they had a really neat area there from where the main facility was to where you walked out to the mound area, part of the mound area. My favorite part was you actually got to see some of the mounds that were there that had not yet been excavated. They had them, I think, mounds A through G at various locations. I think G was actually across the street from where the facility was. But the mounds are still there, and they have done a little bit of excavation of it on one of them that you can go out into the field and go see. You can go up on top of it. But the mounds are still there. And the mounds that were there are actually, they're not burial mounds, but those were plateaus where the more important people in the society would build their homes on top of. So they would be elevated in their homes above the rest of the other people. So I thought that was kind of neat just to see the mounds themselves. Silas, what was it you saw?
I liked getting to see the life-size Indian people.
Life-size, demonstration things here. Did we get everybody? Micah, what was your favorite part?
Everything.
You liked everything about it? Yeah, Micah, this was one of Micah's favorite places to go to on our various trips. She liked it really well. So there's a lot of neat history there to see, and they had a lot of interesting information. Okay, we are wrapping up here for the Angel Mounds, and we will catch you guys next time.